Hey guys, good morning. I'm out in the garden and just going to do some chores and thought I'd bring you along with me. It's shaded where I'm working right now, but it's going to get hot real fast, so we'll see how long we can last. But let's get going. So we've had lots and lots of rain over the past several weeks, but my daisies have all collapsed and just aren't looking the best right now. So I'm actually going to cut a bunch of the blooms, take them in the house, and probably just dig this up and transplant it somewhere else and put something that's lower growing. I had no clue that they were going to get as big as they did. And they're beautiful flowers, but I definitely need something that's shorter so you can see all of the beautiful things that are behind it. So that's what I'm going to work on first. Sun is pretty much on all of the beds that I want to work on. So we're going to move to the shade just so I can get these daisies ready for their vase. So here you go. All my floppy flowers ready to go into the house. Next project. I put the flowers in the house and now I'm going to dig up some of these Alaskan daisies because I just have way too many from where I just started them all from seed. So I picked up some flowers, even winners. Let me get them. I've had these for a week or so now, but they're the Magic Show white ones. It's a Veronica, and because they were on clearance, I cut them back. They looked pretty rough, but I bought 6 of them. I think I'm gonna put them right here where the Alaskan daisies are because it's much lower growing. It still gives me the white, but then I'll be able to see stuff that's growing behind these and these won't be taking up so much space. So I'm gonna work on that. We have some leftover mulch, so I'm gonna grab a bag and go and throw it on the area where we just planted so it can look nice with everything else. It is getting really hot out here. Whew. Nice. Humble beginnings, but they'll look really pretty soon. I ended up putting those Alaskan daisies that I dug up along the driveway further down towards the road, and I just put them kind of on the wood line so they can grow up there. And my husband only mows so far, but then those will end up blooming and that'll be really pretty to drive by and see those next year. All right, all that stuff is in the ground. We've got the angelic blue juniper, the spilled wine weigela, and then the heuchera in the front. And then my hydrangea over here was already here. It's the little haughty hydrangea. And then I have another one on the other side of the bed. So glad we got that done. I've got this wisteria vine growing right here, and it is just reaching that peak of being able to climb over the top. And so I'm gonna get up there and try to tie it up so it can start growing across. So that's next on the to-do list. More floppy Alaskan daisies. I'm telling you, I got them everywhere. That didn't take a ton of work at all. Like, that was pretty easy. And I'm glad it's finally up there and wrapping around, and hopefully it'll make its way across. And hopefully this will be covered really, really soon. Got lots of blooms getting ready to burst on my Belinda Dreams rose. That'll be fun. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me today. It was a lot of cleanup, a lot of weeding, a lot of watering. Then we got some plants in the ground. I'll be sure to keep you all posted on how those are doing. And I just appreciate you guys hanging out with me so much and enjoying my garden along with me. And you guys are super sweet and kind and always good comments, and it's fun to be able to share. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.